guys, good afternoon guys. Tayo ngayon dito, tayo ngayon guys ngayon Tahoe Lake. Bata. Salamat tayo guys na nakarating din tayo dito. Ito lang guys, nakita nyo naman tong lake na ito, very clear the water, but the problem I don't see even the small fish guys. It's very sad. It's not the same the siphon anywhere. That place is still have a fish any kind, you can see it, turtle, small shark, and it's a lot of fish. It's not the same this place. So now you didn't say it. Oh, wow guys, it's very pretty. Yun lang, there's a lot of beautiful lady here. Yeah, I'm stupid this guys. And I can see it. This place is a little bit Filipino. It's not the same island in the place. Saipan is a lot of Filipino there, like 1,000 Filipino, but in Nevada, I don't know how many thousand Filipino there is working, but this is a part of Tahoe Lake. I see it only Family John and me now here in the Lake of Tahoe, watching the beautiful lady guys. You don't believe me guys, look at the beautiful lady there. Hi, good morning. That's the one I do guys. And you see my back, also look my back, the young kids is playing volleyball, you know. That is a young beautiful lady also. She's about to willing to play also the volleyball kasi yaka volleyball po ball. Kaya yun ang activities natin dito guys. After that, nakuna na natin yung ticket na video or the family of John. And I have a memory sa pamilya na ito guys. Even me also, I have a memory this Tahoe Lake. Maybe next week in Saturday another place, but I think like the same or another place this what do you call this one, the beach side. Yeah, kaya habang tayo nakaupo dito, tanong ng mga beautiful ang ano dito guys is I feel cold because that's one the side of the look guys. That's one yung beautiful lady guys. Inside this mountain, this guys is Odi, California. Yeah, Odi, California guys. Yeah, but until now the family John there is still swimming, you know, using the kayak. See? At least tayo may mga activities tayo dito guys. Tingnan natin guys ulit. Tingnan na, panoorin nyo lang dyan at least maka 10 minutes tayo. I-adjust ko dahil muna yung ano ko guys, para makapintuan tayo maganda yung akin nga ano, habang tinitingnan nyo ang stand natin guys na ano ko, i-adjust ko. Alright. Diba? Magandang ganito. Makita yung pagka-gwapo natin guys. Kahit kalalangipin. yung lifetime dito guys, napakaganda. Saka ang lifetime dito, lalo pag may you're working, peaceful guys, napaka-peaceful ng peaceful ang sitwasyon dito. It's very good, and in the winter it's very hot because I think like 96 degrees, but this is the top of the mountain, maybe like 8,000 feet ground of the Wairing Nevada. It's very cold, and this lake is first I see it, this is volcanic in the million years guys. But we like big hole in the top in the mountain, higher to the Mount Puto inside. Yeah, right. Yeah, there's a young lady, she don't like to maybe to join this another young lady to playing this pool. Huh? Right, ma? It's cool, right? Maybe soon guys, may trabaho na tayo niyan. Sa ngayon nag-i-enjoy pa ako rito. Kahit wala tayong trabaho, enjoy pa rin. At least mayroon tayong mga video, lalo ngayon dito na face to face tayo nakikita. At least nakita yung ulit ang mukha ko rito sa Tahoe. Memory ko naman to guys, another memory ko naman to, right? Someday I'm no more already in this life. At least I have a memory for everybody. Oh, that's Papa Jerry. It's that time after I no more already in Saipan, but maybe in the future I want to back home Saipan guys. Yeah, diba? Yeah, summer nga dito guys. Tinan nyo naman kanina, kinukunan niya, I take it the video because in summer it's a lot now people swimming. Look, that's the one I tell you guys, swimming at kayak, and that time I see plenty boat because we have a fishing spot also. This place guys is a lot big size. It's not ordinary fish. It's if you want to go fishing, it's a lot of the big fish guys, right? Yeah, see, it's a lot of people are swimming guys. Guys, kay Papa Jerry guys, yun na nga, diba? Dito lang tayo guys, paupo-upo lang dito, patingin-tingin tayo sa mga magagandang dumadaan sa harapan natin guys, diba? Lang, medyo malamig na ako ngayon guys. Okay guys, at least mayroon tayong activities ngayon. Shout out sa lahat na lang dyan. Hindi ko mabigasin yung mga pangalan dyan, nakalimutan ko ng iba dyan. Especially sa kaibigan ko si Umar Ayuste, yan naman supportado lagi sa akin guys. Ngayon nasa Milan, and tayo naman dito naman sa Tahoe Lake Park, Reno, Nevada. I love you guys. I miss you. Honest to goodness guys, before I came in Reno, Nevada, In the time I'm staying in Saipan, my weight is 220 pounds. But honestly goodness guys, today I already 175. Yeah, I'm like 70 pounds. Guys, in last 3 weeks, my medical is at 80. But this is like 170 already guys. I don't have big stomach already guys. Look. No more. I wonder, no more. Get this big stomach to me guys. I'm going matzo Papa na. Papa Jorna is going matzo guys. All my things very big those. Like 220 to 170. My weight now guys, 170. Maybe going down. Maybe I wish I doing like 140. That's better for me. And I wish I could be like no more but still drinking maintain my right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe Papa Jerry guys. See you soon another video guys. With beautiful lady. Woohoo! Love you guys. Love you all.